This is the Topknot Pigeon, and it has not one crest but two. One crest sweeps forward right over its face. The other sweeps back off its head. Business in the front, party in the back, on a wild pigeon. Most pigeons keep it simple. This one made a choice. And it wears both crests at once, with total confidence. Honestly, it works. Look at this ridiculous, wonderful bird. Follow along, because this bird only gets stranger from here. This is the Topknot Pigeon, and it has a very misleading name. Its scientific name means roughly of Antarctica, which is a little strange. Because here's the problem. It has never once been to Antarctica. Lophilamus antarcticus, a rainforest bird, nowhere near a glacier or a snowflake. It lives somewhere warm and full of figs. It does not own a coat. Long ago, a naturalist squinted at a map and simply guessed wrong. And this bird has carried that mislabeled name tag ever since. Two crests and a clerical error. Honestly, what a resume. People also call this the flock pigeon, and for very good reason. When they travel together, in flocks of hundreds of birds. A quiet fruiting tree can sit peaceful all through the morning. Then the entire flock arrives at once with no warning at all. It turns to total chaos in about 90 seconds flat. No warning, no RSVP, just wings everywhere all at once. Every bird with very strong opinions about the best figs. For the Topknot Pigeon, that is just another Tuesday. The Topknot Pigeon is the messiest eater in the whole rainforest. It eats fruit like a toddler who was never once told no. And it drops seeds absolutely everywhere that it happens to go. Walk beneath the tree, and the forest floor is carpeted in them. But here's the thing, that mess is not a mess at all. Every single seed it drops can grow into a brand new tree. An accidental hero with no idea that it is one. This is the world's least morning bird, the Topknot Pigeon. This bird does not do sunrise, not even a little bit. The whole flock sleeps in high in the tall trees until late morning. Then it finally drifts down for a slow, leisurely brunch. After that, a long, lazy afternoon of easy snacking. Then an early night with 0 alarms set for the morning. No rush, no stress, honestly no notes at all. This bird cracked the code the rest of us are still missing. This bird almost did not make it at all. Long ago, it was hunted heavily for food. The numbers fell. This story could have ended right there. But this bird never once stays in a single place. It roams too far and too wide to ever pin down. So it slipped through, and it quietly held on. It is protected now, and the numbers have come back. A real comeback, written by a restless wanderer. Let me tell you why I love this ridiculous bird. It wears a mullet that no committee ever approved. It ignores its alarm clock every single morning. It shows up to lunch with 300 of its friends. And it plants a whole rainforest completely by accident. It wanders wherever it pleases, and it cannot be pinned down. Nature built something ridiculous, and it turned out perfect. The Topknot Pigeon. Thank you for spending the week with it.